Fraser fir needles offer not only Christmas scent, but also very powerful health benefits, plus another surprising use for gardeners and plant growers. Fraser fir essential oil, extracted from the most popular Christmas trees needles, consists of A-pennine, B-pennine, limonene, bornyl acetate, and 3 carine terpene compounds. A and B pennines have anti-microbial, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and anti-allergic properties. Limonene also has anti-cancer properties, plus its scent may reduce appetite and decrease stress and anxiety. Bornyl acetate regulates immune response and it's a sedative. 3 carine, also found in cannabis, basil, bell peppers, or rosemary, may also promote focus and concentration. All these terpene compounds are trees' defense against pests such as insects or deer. Limonene and 3 carine are powerful agents in industrial-strength insect repellents. So when you have some leftover branches from your Christmas tree, you can use them to make a powerful cleaning spray, pest spray, or carpet deodorizer, for example. To make the cleaning spray, add the needles to alcohol or vinegar the same way you would make a tincture. When using this cleaning spray, you are not only not breathing toxic chemicals, but instead you breathe in healing essential oils. To make the pest spray, add the needles to water. Both should be set aside for at least a few weeks to let the oils from the needles infuse in the carrier liquid. To make the infusion stronger, cut up the needles so they can release more oils. To make the carpet deodorizer, mix the needles with baking soda. Use it to sprinkle on carpet to sanitize and deodorize it. Leave it overnight and then vacuum. Also, since Christmas trees are heavily sprayed with pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides, it's best to find an organic tree if you plan to use the needles for their health benefits.